I met Josephine Wall at a fairy event. It was the Fairy Tea Party at the Enchanted Manor a couple of years ago, and I know that she absolutely adores butterflies, so I asked her if she could actually send me a little card just wishing us luck to save the butterfly meadow, which she's done. She sent us this beautiful card. It's the Butterfly Goddess, and this is a painting she did of her sister, who looks very much like her. Goddess. And it's got a message here for me and my little girl, just to say she wishes us luck with saving the butterfly meadow. Dear Sharon, at the moment unfortunately there is no card of Up and Away, so I'm sending you another butterfly card instead. The Butterfly Goddess is my sister. As you know, I love butterflies, so of course I hope your butterfly meadow will be saved for future generations. Good luck with your endeavour. Bob and I send love to you all, and especially to your little girl. Light and peace from Josephine. Here's a little verse Josephine Wall's written, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to read the last part here. It's about the butterflies and how important they are to our world. Merrily they flit from flower to flower, unaware of their important role in the continuing cycle of nature's glorious full blooming.
Fly with me, butterflies, above the skies so high, and take all my dreams to fly through the colored sky. Watch all the hills below, see how they gently flow. Rivers that call your name out of your fears and shame.